some music, help Tico find where's congas are.
We've got to help Nightlight find Tico's conga drum. Say go, Nightlight. Go, Nightlight. Yeah, ahí está. Go into the library to light up the night. Go, Nightlight. Go, Nightlight. Go, Nightlight. Go, go. Yay!
Hey, Dora, that sounds like animals in trouble.
Dora, Boots! And that sounds like my cousin Diego.
But I don't see him, Dora.
I think he's up there. He's up in that tree. Hola, amigos.
Diego, what are you doing up in that tree?
I'm looking for the Pampas kittens. They like to climb trees, but it's getting pretty dark out. They need to get home soon.
I can help you, Diego. I can help you. Oh, I need to be a little brighter.
We've got to turn Nightlight's crank to help her shine even brighter. Put your hand out like this and turn the crank. Turn the crank. Turn, turn, turn. Great turning. Now we can find those kittens. Help me find the Pampas kittens. If you see the kittens, say kittens.
Kittens!
There they are! Come on, gatitos. I gotcha.
Aww!
Thanks for helping me find the kittens.
You're welcome.
All right, you guys. Time to go home.
Hasta luego, primo.